You bring so much magical experiences to this individual. A true leader was always within this individual, but the energy was not activated until they met you, until they met their match. This person was aligned with the wrong people, the wrong environment, and they didn't awaken to this fact until they met you. Because of you and your input, you have allowed this person to get in touch with their own spirituality. This person is going through a transformation. This person is experiencing, I'm hearing nirvana for the first time. This person has been faced with a lot of truths about who they are, about the power that they possess, because maybe they were around individuals that dimmed their light, that didn't believe in them, and that chipped away at their confidence. You love this person back to life. Just by your presence alone, just by your belief in this individual. And now this person wants to move from friends to something more deeper. This individual was taking the wrong steps, making the wrong choices before they met you. They didn't care about themselves because they didn't think anyone else cared about them. Their friends were very questionable. And Spirit put you into their life to show them that you can have friends from all walks of life, different backgrounds, different upbringings, but they can be part of your soul tribe. Maybe before this individual met you, they only aligned with people from their own background, people who were in certain positions, who had certain titles. And they stayed away from others who, at the time, not going to lie, butterflies, who they thought were beneath them. And now they see that you have the 10th pentacle and they want to give you the 10th pentacle. They want to equate with you, make an acquaintance with you, I should say. So you could be a friend to this person. For some of you, you could be a love interest, or you can be a friend that's turning into a love interest. Maybe this person friend zoned you in the past. They're moving away from that. They see you as a guide. And it's not to say that they're only aligning with you to use you for your energy. No, with you, they finally see that they can be their true authentic self. They can speak to you about any and everything and not feel judged. You see right through them. You accept them, flaws and all. Not to say that you bypass any discrepancies, because if they do something or say something to pee you off, you're going to pull them up on it. And they respect you for that. You're not a yes person. They could be used to yes people, fans. You ain't no fan. You're a truth teller. And you put this person straight. And you lead by example. This is me. Take me as I am. I'm not going to encourage you to do the wrong things. And I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. But I do have boundaries. And I do have morals. And if you are not in alignment with that, I'll leave. That's the energy that you brought forth. This person's never had anyone say these things to them or act in this way. And they see you as an otherworldly being, someone that is hypnotic, yes, but someone that is magical. To them, you can make any dream come true. You may live a life that this person feels is so sparkly, so otherworldly, so different from their actual world. Their life seems mundane compared to your exciting experiences that you may have spoken about, you may have posted about on social media. You've never come across anyone like you before. Someone strong, powerful, but humble. Someone that's honest. This person's used to people being dishonest. Fake friends, but still aligning with these fake friends so they're not alone. With you, you don't mind being alone. This person thinks it's so cool. You march to the beat of your own drum. And this person always felt different. And within you, they seem like they found their match. You're just as different as me. Alien-like. Unique. And this is what they like about you, because you're giving them permission to be their unique, authentic self. You're helping this person tap into their intelligence, their brilliance. This person's amazing. And you have highlighted their amazingness. And in some cases, they weren't aware of their own genius. And it's not like you sat there and said, you should do this, you should do that. You pointed out their greatness. And now they feel like they can take over the world, and they literally can. You embody the traits of a true leader. You lead by example, because what you have going on in your life is a true testament to who you are. You practice what you preach. And now this individual is opening up. This person is not a man or a woman of many words. This person tried to hide their feelings for you. In some cases, they tried to end this connection, this friendship. Tried to be stone cold with you. But Spirit stepped in. And Spirit was like, stop being stubborn. You know you need a change. This person sees you as spiritually powerful. And you see them in the same way. And because of you, you've helped this person overcome some type of depression. You loved this person back to life. By you loving yourself, by you filling your own cup, it activated this individual's self-love for them to go on their self-love healing journey. It's like you're both mirrors to each other. When you are in the energy of wanting this person's validation, you lowered your state. You lowered your vibration, matching their low vibration at the time. So you pulled back your energy and you poured into yourself. And this person came searching. And the only way that they could connect with you was to raise their vibration by loving themselves and by taking themselves seriously. This person forced you to take yourself seriously. You mirrored each other. You didn't care about how much money this person made. And this person loves you for that, because they always felt like they had to show up in the world as a certain way. So much expectations were placed and still are placed on this person. But now this person doesn't care, because they know that you accept them for who they are, not for what they've got. They've never met anyone like that before. There was always a catch in this person's relations with others. You simply just want to connect with them. They've now met a giver like them. And now they want you to experience receiving. And you have given this person room to receive also, because this person could also be a giver. Like I said, you met your match. And now because of you, this person is lowering their guard. Their heart chakra is now opening up. They're not paranoid anymore. Yes, they should still have their walls up. and have boundaries and discernment for certain people, and they may have been this way towards you, but not anymore. This person knows that you are a catch. They see the way others vie for your attention, compete for your attention. And this person's ready to compete for you. They may have done. They will do. They know you're the prize. You may not have behaved like that in the past, but they know you're the prize. And they want you to move towards them. They're not confused anymore. They're getting rid of their options. Even if they still have options, they don't care about them options. They only see you. You are their wish fulfillment. Because of you, they have noticed that since they have aligned with you, many blessings have occurred in this person's life that they did not have when they were with these toxic friends and toxic groups, or with a toxic ex-partner that they free themselves from. They're closing out contracts. And maybe you align with this person when this person was still in that contract. I'm not talking about, for some of you, it could be a marriage contract. And that's why this person was behaving this way with you. Hopefully not. But for some of you, it was a karmic contract. And they had to fulfill this karmic contract. And you coming in at the time when they were still in that contract made them act very resistant and very standoffish and cold towards you. They were embodying the energies of whoever they were around. And that's why you are met with a lot of resistance. But this person is seeing the contrast to how life used to be back then and with you. You are their dream girl or their dream guy. Literally. Since they have aligned with you, they're seeing that their career is skyrocketing. They're gaining happy experiences. They're more happier. They're having more fun. You have brought more fun into their life with new experiences. You make them feel good. You shower them with love that they've never experienced before. And because of the love you give, the words that you say, how you say their name, how you converse with them, it just takes them to another realm. And it makes them then go out into the world and create their own magic and spread their love to whoever they are around. Not in a detrimental way, but in a positive way. Because before they weren't in a positive state, and now they want to move towards you. They don't want to lose you. They're done with the mind games. They're done with not knowing as to whether or not they want a relationship or to invest in this friendship or in this business partnership. They are serious about you. They're coming out of that mental anguish of depression, anxiety, because they got you to look forward to. They see you as a person they wish they met a long time ago, but everything happens for a reason. But they do wish they met you a long time ago. And they want to reach out, but they don't want to reach out too prematurely. And they don't want to come across as a fan or someone that's obsessed. But you are the empress to this person. You make things grow. You've helped them to grow. They're seeing their pockets grow, their hearts growing, their life is expanding. Their circle is now positive. They see you as the ultimate partner, business partner, lover, friend. They see you as a goddess, if it's romantic. Someone beautiful. Not from this world. Someone simply magical who has come into their life and has blessed them. You or the person of the signs Aries, Libra, Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn, Leo, Pisces, Aquarius, Taurus, Pisces, Taurus, Cancer, Taurus and Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars. How can we forget Gemini? Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node or Lilith. Keep spreading your magic butterflies. You are literally changing the world.